how to edit your emoji settings in Discord. So say you see emojis like these right here in your Discord and you don't want to see them anymore, or you want to just get rid of them essentially. So what you can do is if you go down to user settings and then on the left hand side go down to text and images and then scroll down in here till you get to the emoji section. What you can do here is you can edit about 3 different settings. First is show emoji reactions on messages. So if we disable that and then go back here, you notice that the emoji reactions are now gone. If I go back down here to emoji again, and then I say I want emoji to move and groove. So unfortunately I don't think I have any animated emojis in the Discord server yet. So if we turn that off, that would just make animated emojis go away. And then automatically convert emoticons in your messages to emoji. So for example, when you type that, it will turn into that. So if you specifically wanted this to show up, what you could do is just, of course, turn that off. And then that won't happen anymore, and you'll just get this text, versus it being converted to an emoji. And that is how you edit your emoji settings in Discord.